Hey guys, what's up? Dario here, and in front of me I have the brand new OnePlus 7 Pro that I have borrowed from a friend of mine for a couple of hours. And that was an ideal opportunity to test both the performance and this crazy good 90Hz AMOLED screen. As always, to test it I will be playing PUBG Mobile, but before we start with the game, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Okay, now it's time to get some chicken dinner. I have set the phone to Fnatic gaming mode, and I have also set the graphics to the maximum settings that are allowed in this free version of the game. And now I will shut up and let you guys enjoy some PUBG Mobile on the incredible OnePlus 7 Pro. Okay, this was an interesting finish. I hope you guys enjoyed this match as much as I did when playing it on this crazy good phone. I have to admit, this 90Hz screen really makes a difference, and it's far more pleasant for games than, for example, the AMOLED screen that I have on my Galaxy S10. Performance-wise, there was no hiccups and the game felt so smooth the whole time. The phone did get warm on the back, but it definitely didn't overheat since I didn't feel any performance decreases. Okay, that's going to be it guys for this short but fun video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. And again, as said, since this is not my phone, unfortunately I won't be able to do a full review of it. But let me know in the comments below if you think that 90Hz screens should become a standard, or do you prefer to stick with your current ones. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video, so take care.